I believe all of us visited some washrooms in our past lives. Like at home, the washrooms are very clean, very familiar, or maybe there's an amazing smell of the fragrant agent which you just bought last week. And sometimes in washrooms in the public park, very quiet sometimes, scary, and sometimes full of people waiting there. But I want to say, these are all normal. The one I'm going to talk about today is a little bit special. And I've got prepare a sound for you to guess where it comes out. Yes. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing happens.
Yeah. Computer.
Maybe it's from sound.
Speaker.
Yes. This is the speaker.
Ah.
Maybe what? Maybe the
Speaker's
speaker
program?
or no? No. I don't know.
Maybe I didn't bring
Do you have any free time?
No, I haven't.
Oh, you should.
We should bring
You should install this computer too. Then you can.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't bring
So
Okay, I can
we
guess.
lost the
Can you
imitate? Like
Okay, I understand.
The flush.
yes, the flush. Actually, the flush's sound is quite special. I guess it will remind all of you guys because yeah. So that's I prepare for you guys. So exactly that's what the article I'm going to talk about today. It's airplane toilet flushes. Alright, actually I believe everyone remembers the sound of the airplane toilet flushes. According to its sounds, it's quite powerful
Yeah.
and it's terribly annoying, right?
Yeah.
And it's frightening sometimes too, especially for little childs. I was on a long flight several days ago, so I still remember the washroom and the toilet and the airplane toilet. It's so narrow that if I turn around so quickly, I could even hit my nose on the wall. Yeah, and the most annoying thing is that I can't leave a gift bowl for the next passenger, so I'm forced to press the flush's bottom, and then the winds, sounds comes, and the power and noise and even winds. It almost broke my mind away. All right, but I have to say it's really boring out there. Well, there was a kind woman sitting beside me. We have a chit chat for a while. But I can't keep bothering her for 12 hours. Yeah, I have a long flight, so I have nothing to do. After I washed the Ironman for twice, and I have nothing to do until I am going to the washroom again. So in that 12 hours, once I was stepped out from the washroom, I began to think, where will the stuff go to after I'm done? So, and I used to think that was the airplane toilet was a little hole that opened up right there outside the airplane. And then throw it into the sky or something like that. I believe some of you have think about this. Yeah. And after I searched about it, and I found myself it's totally wrong, definitely wrong, right? And the airplane toilets is a whole new type of toilet called vacuum toilet. It's like kind of non-air, no air at all. You know that? Like in the space?
Yeah.
Yes, you know that? So the vacuum toilets, which don't use much water and fairly low maintenance. You know maintenance? Fix it, all right? Everybody knows it, good. And it contains the stuff at bottom of airplane, all right, you know that? So I think airplane toilets are good. Because 100 years ago, nobody would point at the airplane and says, one day a man will take a dump up there. Like, I have a photo for you. Yes?
Try the arrow.
All right. Like this. And then there's a man would take a dump up there. So nobody could imagine how the technology will develop somehow. And today, if it doesn't exist, the airplane toilets, if it doesn't exist, and like everyone panic because we're going to the toilet and there's nothing up there to play. Panic, everyone panic. So that's what I want to say. Thank you, airplane toilets. Toilet flushes for your winds and noise have woke the whole world up. So I want to say airplane toilet flushes, awesome. Thank you.
Good job, Carina. Okay, you can talk to your lovely partner about airplane toilets.
Airplane toilet?
When you were a kid, did you imagine like Neil did that it just went out of the airplane? Or,
Yeah.
Well, Helen, it's your turn. Are you ready to go?
I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Oh,